What's up, guys? This is Dave Marshall with the RC Marshall YouTube channel, and thank you for watching the Spektrum AR637T Programming Series. In this installment, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the AR637T receiver and doing a quick size comparison between the AR637T and the previous AR636. Before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification icon so you're always made aware when we release new videos. Now let's get started. What's up, guys? Today we are doing the unboxing, or actually the unpackaging, because there's not really a box, of the Spektrum AR637T. This is a new transmitter that's replacing the AR636 from Spektrum. They are available on Horizon Hobby, so be sure to go check them out, and we'll have links in the description for you to be able to check those out. So we'll go ahead and pull this thing out of the package. It's pretty simple. There's a staple here we've already removed and a couple of pieces of tape. You just cut those, and the packaging material just kind of slides right out from the top. And there we have access to the AR637T receiver itself. And as you can see, it is fairly small. About the same size as the AR636. It's a little bit longer, but the same width and everything. Pretty slick. And you also get the power wire. Now this, if you're not using smart batteries, you can put this little connector in line with your flight battery, and it will pass flight battery voltage over to the AR637T. You just plug that in to the voltage connector, which is right there on the side. Yeah, you've got the voltage connector right here, and it's got the labels there on the side. Another interesting feature about this, you do still have the option, and let's see if we can get, kind of zoomed in there on the ports. So there you can see that we've got, our standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is our 6 channels, and we've got that 7th plug. And the 7th plug is our bind port as well as our programming port. Now, this one does have a bind button, which is right here, where we don't have to use a bind plug anymore. If you don't want to, you just press that button as you're applying power, and you no longer need a bind plug. So that's a neat feature as well. And I want to show you this sitting side by side with an AR636 so we can do a size comparison between the AR636. All right, so here is an AR637 and an AR636 sitting side by side with each other. See if I can get them straightened up in the picture here. So there they are sitting side by side. The AR637 does have the antennas, coming out of the bottom of the casing, rather than having one coming out the side and one coming out of the top. So that's a little bit of a different design. And you get plenty of length on both of the antenna leads with the AR637 to get those at the proper 90-degree angle. Now, the other thing that was pretty interesting to me is the pinouts on the 636 and the 637, from a physical dimension standpoint, are identical, which is nice. So you can see right there, this is the AR636 and this is the AR637T. If I put them right on top of each other, they are basically the same width and the same height. So if we wanted to take an AR636 receiver out of an airplane and fit a new AR637 in its place, it'd be very easy to do because they are the same width, same height, and all of the plugs will plug in exactly the same as they did on the AR636. Now, as you can see, the AR637 is a little bit longer. We're talking about a 1/4 inch or so longer than the AR636, but for the most part, it's very close in size to the AR636. All right, so in addition to the receiver and the power flight battery telemetry cable, you also get a couple of manuals with the AR637T. This first manual is the fairly standard one that you see from Spektrum. It gives you the pinouts and basic installation instructions, how to bind it, etc. It's pretty small, one language. And the second manual that it comes with, this is your setup guide that tells you all the different things that you need to know with regard to forward programming and getting, safe setup and all of that stuff. So, all right, guys, so that is the unboxing of the Spektrum AR637T receiver. Be sure to tune in for our next installment, which will be the optional step of registering the AR637T with your MySpektrum account. Be sure to hit the like, share, subscribe, and be sure to hit the notification icon so you're always made aware when we release new videos here on the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.